Welcome to the heart of ancient Samarkand, one of the most legendary cities along the Silk Road. Today, we are exploring the magnificent Registan Square, the crown jewel of Uzbekistan, and one of the most breathtaking Islamic architectural complexes in the world. As I walk through this historic place, we will discover the fascinating history behind these incredible structures, learn who built them, and experience the beauty of the Ulugbek Madrasa, Sherdor Madrasa, Tila-Kori Madrasa, and the spiritual sites surrounding Registan. And later tonight, we will also witness the magical night light show that transforms this square into something truly unforgettable. Before we begin, take a moment to admire the massive open square around me. The word Registan means sandy place in Persian. Centuries ago, this was the central public square of Samarkand, where royal announcements were made, markets were held, and people gathered from all over Central Asia. Samarkand itself is over 2,700 years old and became one of the greatest cities of the Silk Road. Merchants, scholars, scientists, and travelers passed through this city, carrying silk, spices, knowledge, and culture between China, Persia, India, and Europe. The Registan that we see today was mostly built during the Timurid Empire, especially under the rule of Timur, also known as Tamerlane, and later by his grandson Ulugbek.
Now let's begin our walk around the outer boundary walls of Registan. As we walk along these impressive outer walls, notice the incredible details in the architecture. The blue domes, geometric tile work, Arabic calligraphy, and massive entrance portals reflect the artistic brilliance of Islamic architecture during the 15th and 17th centuries. Every inch of this place was designed not only for beauty, but also to inspire learning, spirituality, and power. The turquoise and deep blue colors symbolize heaven and spirituality in Islamic art. The craftsmanship here is astonishing. Many of these tiles were handmade centuries ago, yet they still shine beautifully today. Imagine the amount of labor and skill required to create such detailed mosaics without modern technology. As I continue walking around the complex, you can feel the scale of this place. Registan was designed to impress visitors arriving from all over the world. For centuries, this square represented the wealth, intelligence, and cultural importance of Samarkand. Now we are approaching the oldest structure in Registan, the famous Ulugbek Madrasa. The Ulugbek Madrasa was built between 1417 and 1420 by Mirza Ulugbek, the grandson of the great conqueror Timur. Unlike many rulers of his time, Ulugbek was not only a king, but also a brilliant scientist, mathematician, and astronomer. He loved education and believed knowledge was the greatest power. This madrasa, or Islamic school, became one of the most respected centers of learning in the Islamic world. Students from different regions came here to study mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, theology, and science. Standing here today, it's incredible to imagine scholars walking through these same courtyards over 600 years ago. Look closely at the entrance portal. The geometric patterns and star-shaped designs reflect Ulugbek's passion for astronomy. Some historians even say the decorations symbolize the universe and celestial movement. The towering minarets and massive archway create a feeling of grandeur and balance. In
Inside the madrasa were classrooms, student rooms, lecture halls, and prayer areas. Ulugbek himself reportedly taught students here at times. That makes this place even more special, because it was not just built by a ruler, it was built by a scholar king. One of Ulugbek's greatest achievements was creating one of the most accurate star catalogs in the world before telescopes even existed. His scientific contributions influenced astronomy for generations. Sadly, political struggles later led to his assassination, but his legacy continues to live through places like this.
Now let's move toward the Sherdor Madrasa, located directly across from the Ulugbek Madrasa. The Sherdor Madrasa was built much later, between 1619 and 1636, by the ruler Yalangtush Bahadur. The name Sherdor means lion-bearing. The artwork here is incredibly colorful and detailed. The golden tones, blue mosaics, and symmetrical patterns create an almost dreamlike appearance. Compared to the Ulugbek Madrasa, the Sherdor Madrasa feels more decorative and dramatic. It reflects a different artistic style from the 17th century. Walking around this area, you can really appreciate how each building complements the others while still having its own personality. Now we are heading toward an important spiritual site, the grave associated with Hazrat Imam Muhammad bin Jafar Sadiq. Hazrat Imam Muhammad bin Jafar Sadiq is respected in Islamic history and spiritual tradition. Many visitors come here, not only for architecture and history, but also for spiritual reflection and prayer. As we approach this sacred place, the atmosphere becomes quieter and more peaceful. You can often see visitors offering prayers and showing respect. Sites connected to important Islamic scholars and spiritual figures hold deep significance throughout Central Asia. Whether you are religious or simply interested in history, these places remind us how faith and scholarship were deeply connected in the Islamic Golden Age. The preservation of these sacred locations also reflects the respect Uzbek people continue to have for their cultural and spiritual heritage. Now we continue toward the magnificent Tila-Kori Madrasa, the final major structure of Registan Square. The Tila-Kori Madrasa was built between 1646 and 1660, also under Yalangtush Bahadur. The name Tila-Kori means decorated with gold, and once you step inside, you immediately understand why. This madrasa served both as a school and as the main mosque of Registan. The interior decoration is absolutely breathtaking. Gold leaf decorations cover large portions of the walls and ceilings, creating an atmosphere of luxury and spirituality. The prayer hall inside is one of the most beautiful interiors in all of Uzbekistan. The combination of gold, blue, turquoise, and intricate floral patterns creates an almost heavenly feeling. Imagine worshippers gathering here centuries ago under candlelight, while the gold decorations reflected warm, glowing light across the hall. Even today, visitors are often left speechless when entering the mosque area. The architecture of Tila-Kori also helped complete the symmetrical appearance of Registan Square. Together, the Ulugbek, Sherdor, and Tila-Kori Madrasas form one of the most iconic architectural ensembles in the world. This square represents centuries of knowledge, faith, science, art, and culture, all combined into one breathtaking location. As the day slowly turns into evening, Registan begins to change its personality. The crowds become calmer, temperatures cool down, and the soft evening light creates an entirely different atmosphere. Now it's time for one of the most magical experiences here, the Registan Night Light Show. As darkness falls, the buildings suddenly illuminate with stunning colors and projections. The blue domes glow against the night sky, while lights highlight every detail of the mosaics and arches. The entire square feels almost unreal. Music often accompanies the show, creating an emotional and cinematic experience. The lights transform the ancient madrasas into living works of art. Watching the illumination spread across these centuries-old buildings is something truly unforgettable. For photographers and travelers, nighttime at Registan is absolutely magical. The reflections, colors, and atmosphere make it one of the most beautiful nighttime attractions in Central Asia. Standing here tonight, it's easy to understand why Samarkand has inspired travelers for hundreds of years. From Silk Road merchants to modern tourists, people from around the world continue to be amazed by the beauty and history of this incredible city. Registan is more than just architecture. It is a symbol of human creativity, knowledge, spirituality, and cultural exchange. Every tile, every dome, and every arch tells a story from the past. And even after centuries, Registan still stands proudly as one of the greatest treasures of the Islamic world. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey through Registan Square in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing travel experiences, history, and cultural adventures from around the world. See you in the next journey.